Clear skies across much of the British Isles as we head into this evening and overnight tonight, but Scotland has been badly affected by the remnants of Hurricane Bertha. This is Carbridge in the Highlands of Scotland. That was yesterday afternoon, preparing for the annual duck race. This is this morning. Well, you can still make out the bridge, but everything else looks totally different thanks to the deluge of rain out of the remnants of Hurricane Bertha, still curling around the north of Scotland, still producing some pretty heavy rain as well. Although if you watch the radar picture from the last few hours, you'll see the northeast has improved somewhat, but now the rain is working its way further south. Eventually it'll head into the central belt of Scotland. Some particularly heavy rain likely to the west across the Hebrides and through into the Highlands, eventually Argyll and Bute, as we continue with the presence of the weather system here through the rest of today and on into tomorrow. Strong winds as well. Now further south, it looks like there are quite a few showers on our map, and yes, there will be showers developing and some of them will be sharp, but we have to factor in the fact there's a pretty strong breeze across England and Wales and Northern Ireland for this afternoon. So hopefully that's going to move the showers on pretty quickly. If you do see a spell of wet weather, it should be quite short-lived, but it could be quite intense. We've seen some thunder and lightning already across the southwest of England, and we're likely to continue with that threat through this afternoon and into this evening. A bit fresher than it was through the weekend. Temperatures in the high teens, perhaps just touching the low 20s across the southeast of England. For England, Wales and Northern Ireland, many of the showers clearing through this evening, and with clearing skies, again, good chance of seeing the supermoon. Further north, though, the cloud lingers across Scotland. The winds will stay strong and the heavy rain will really focus on the west, but by the end of the night also come to sit through the central belt, so it will be a wet and windy rush hour here for Tuesday. Still another windy day across Scotland on Tuesday, but perhaps the wind's just a little lighter than today. That perhaps making more of a difference further south, where some showers will develop, particularly at the likes of the Bristol Channel. They could linger a little bit longer, so some longer spells of rain in one or two areas. The far southeast of England probably looking favoured to stay driest and brightest, but still a decent amount of dry weather around away from the far north, where we continue to hang on to the remnants of Bertha. It takes until Wednesday to see that low really pulling away northeast, with still some showers around, but they shouldn't be quite as punchy, less of a risk of thunder, a little bit warmer as well by then, particularly across the southeast. But still through the latter part of the week for Thursday, a risk of showers just about anywhere. Some sunny spells as well, but still pretty unsettled. It takes until Friday really for us to be seeing a quieter day. But even then, I think it will only be a brief interlude of quieter weather. But do stay tuned and we'll keep you up to date more online if you need it right now, though. Simon.
Susan, thank you very much.